Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make milkshake slime. First, gather your essential ingredients: white glue, shaving cream, and contact lens solution. These form the base of your slime. Don't forget baking soda and a good lotion to achieve that perfect, stretchy texture. For a personalized touch, have your favorite food coloring and scent oils ready to go. Let's get started on this fun project. Now, let's create the base for your milkshake slime. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of white glue with 1/2 cup of shaving cream. Stir these together gently until the mixture becomes wonderfully light and fluffy. This aeration is key to the milkshake texture. Next, sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and mix it in completely. This helps activate the slime. It's time to activate your slime. Slowly add 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution, mixing it in thoroughly. You'll notice the mixture starting to come together. Once it's mostly formed, take it out and knead it with your hands until it's no longer sticky and pulls away cleanly from the bowl. For that extra soft, stretchy milkshake feel, knead in 1 teaspoon of your favorite lotion. Now for the fun part, customizing your milkshake slime. Add a few drops of your chosen food coloring to achieve a vibrant hue. For an extra sensory experience, mix in a few drops of your favorite scent oil. Knead these additions in completely. Finally, stretch and fold your slime repeatedly to incorporate air, creating that signature fluffy, airy milkshake texture. Enjoy your creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.